I would be explaining questions 9 to 11 in this video. Question 9, the number of yellow beads in a bag is 3/8 of the pink ones. So how many units do I draw for pink? I should draw 8 units for pink beads. Pink beads, 8 units. Now what about yellow beads? How many units would you draw for yellow beads? The question reads, the number of yellow beads in a bag is 3/8 of the pink ones. Can you draw it now? You should have 3 units. Because yellow out of pink is 3 out of 8. The number of white beads is 1/6 of the yellow ones. But I don't see 6 units for yellow, so what should I do? Can you do something to your 3 units for your yellow beads? I hope you have divided yellow beads into each unit of the yellow beads into 2 smaller units, because that will make 6 units altogether, and the number of white beads is 1/6 of it. So what I should do is I should make all the blue units consistent with the black units. Now if there are 72 yellow beads in a bag, how many beads are there altogether? So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. The black units, 6 units is 72. Are you able to find the total number of beads? Question 10, a rectangular piece of paper is folded. A rectangular piece of paper tells us there is a rectangle. It's folded and then cut as shown below. So what are the shapes that are being cut out? They are triangles. So find the area of the remaining piece of paper. So we're talking about area in this question. Area of rectangle, area of triangle. Can you recall the formula for area of rectangle? I hope you've written down length times breadth. What about area of triangle? Do you remember? It is half base times height. And height is perpendicular to the base. So we are looking at a right-angled triangle. So let's look at these 2 triangles that have been cut out. Now, I'm going to mark out each side with one color. Look, this side is actually the side of the triangle. Now the blue side, and this, and the black. So do you see the right angle? This is the right angle. So what is the length of the base of the triangle? So the height of the triangle is 11 centimeters. The base of the triangle will be 25 centimeters minus 18 centimeters. And that would give me 7 centimeters. If you apply the formula of both the area of rectangle and the area of triangle, you should be able to find out the area of the remaining piece of paper. Question 11 is also about area of triangle, because we've only learned how to find area of squares, area of rectangles, and area of triangles. I see 3 squares in this question. Do you see the 3 squares? The square of 9 centimeters, the square of 14 centimeters, and the square of 22 centimeters. Now squares are very important to us in this question because the 4 sides of the square are equal. But I don't see many triangles. To be honest, I only see one triangle here. And I'm going to name this triangle A. And I don't see any triangles where I can find the height and the base. For triangle A, I know that the height is 14 centimeters because this is the square. So in questions like this, sometimes we need to add our part. Extend the shape. Look, if I extend this, do I know what is this measurement here? It is 9 centimeters. What about here? It is 14. Nope, it is 13 centimeters, not 14. This part here will be 22. That part there will be 22 centimeters minus 9 centimeters. Now, after I drew out this part, do you now see another triangle? Another right-angled triangle. And I shall name this triangle B. Do we know the height and the base of this triangle? This measurement will be 22 cm. And this measurement here will be 22 plus 9, 31 centimeters. So the steps to completing this question, step number 1, find area of triangle A. Find area of triangle B. But you will say, Miss Jia, these two triangles are the non-shaded part. So how do we find the shaded part? So what do we know? We know the very crucial shape, the square. Are we able to find out the area of all the parts that we have worked on? So we can find the area of this square, this square, this square, and this extra part that we drew on our own. If we can find the total area, we take away the area of A and the area of B from that, then we will find the area of the shaded part. So let me write it down. After we find the area of triangle A and triangle B, we find the area of the three squares, and that extended part we found. Then we subtract the area of A and B from the total area.